Hello friends, hope that all is going well with you and welcome back into BV tutorials. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about orientation in benzene, that is directive influence of functional group in monosubstituted benzene. Monosubstituted benzene means only one functional group is present on benzene ring. Now let's start today's lecture. We are known about structure of benzene. There are 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen atoms. All carbon atoms are linked to each other by alternate single and double bonds. One hydrogen atom is present on each carbon atom. So in benzene, all hydrogen atoms are equivalent. Their nature is same. And hence, whenever benzene is subjected to electrophilic substitution reaction, only one hydrogen atom is replaced by only one electrophile and only one product is formed, which contains only one substituent, which is termed as monosubstituted benzene. Now, what are the positions in monosubstituted benzene? Let's take a look. Carbon atom holding the substituent acquire a first position and then so on. Here, position first and fourth are equivalent and termed as para positions. Position second and sixth are equivalent and termed as ortho positions. Positions third and fifth are equivalent and termed as meta positions. Now let's discuss directive effect of that substituent, that is functional group present on monosubstituted benzene. When monosubstituted benzene is further subjected to electrophilic substitution reaction, then imagine what will be the position of new incoming group, that is new incoming electrophile. Here, the group already present on benzene will decide the position of new incoming group, that is new electrophile. That means group already present on benzene shows the direction to new incoming group. Hence it is called directive influence of functional group in monosubstituted benzene. In these reactions of monosubstituted benzene, the new incoming group occupies either ortho and para positions or meta position, so that the formed products are either mixture of ortho and para compounds or only meta compounds. Let's suppose you entered in the bus for traveling and you saw that the person is seated on window seat. You requested him for window seat. Then he will decide whether you will get window seat or not. If he has kind nature, he will definitely offer you window seat. Otherwise, he will deny. Similarly, in electrophilic substitution reactions of monosubstituted benzene, the group already present on the benzene ring will decide the position of new incoming group. And generally, this behavior depends upon nature of group already present on benzene, but does not depends upon nature of new incoming group. Depending upon this behavior, the groups already present on benzene ring are classified into two types. First one, ortho and para directing groups, and second one is meta directing groups. Let's discuss one by one. First one is the ortho and para directing groups. Now what is meant by ortho and para directing groups? The groups which direct new incoming group to ortho and para position are called ortho and para directing groups. For example, Cl, Br, OH, OCS3, NH2, NHR or any alkyl group, etc. How these groups direct new incoming group to ortho and para positions? Let's take example of phenol, in which group already present on benzene ring is OH group. To understand directive influence of OH group, let's observe resonance in phenol. In phenol, lone pair of electron present on oxygen associates with benzene to get various resonating structures. Carefully observe the resonating structures. From this, it is clear that density of electron increases at ortho and para positions than meta position. Remember this. Density of electron increases on ortho and para positions due to the lone pair of electrons from oxygen associates with benzene ring. So that new incoming electron deficient group, that is electrophile, gets attached to ortho and para positions, so that we can get the mixture of ortho and para products. In that also, para product is measured because two functional groups occupies opposite positions. In ortho product, two functional groups are very close to each other, which repels each other and reduces stability of the compound. Ortho and para directing groups are again divided into two types. First one is the activating groups and second one is the deactivating groups. Let's discuss about activating groups. What is meant by activating groups? From the name, it is clear that activating groups can be defined as the groups which can activate benzene ring to show further electrophilic substitution reactions. Generally, these groups are electron donating and hence they increases density of electron on benzene, especially at ortho and para position, so that benzene ring activates and further shows electrophilic substitution reactions very easy. For example, alkyl groups, NH2, NHR, etc. Second one is the deactivating groups. Deactivating groups can be defined as the groups which can deactivate benzene ring to show further electrophilic substitution reactions. These are electron withdrawing groups. They accept electrons from benzene ring and hence density of electron on benzene decreases, due to which benzene ring deactivates and it makes very difficult for benzene ring to show further electrophilic substitution reactions. For example, Cl, Br, OH, etc. Next type of group is meta-directing group. The groups which direct a new incoming group to meta position are called meta-directing groups. For example, NO2 group, COOH, COCS3, CONH2, CN, SO3H, CHO, etc. How they direct a new incoming group to meta position? Let's take an example of nitrobenzene, in which group already present on benzene ring is NO2. NO2 is electron withdrawing group. To understand directive influence of NO2 group, let's observe resonance in nitrobenzene. From this resonance, it is clear that NO2 group withdraws electrons from ortho and para positions of benzene, so that density of electron at ortho and para position becomes less as compared to meta position. On another word, we can say that density of electron at meta position is greater than ortho and para positions, so that the new incoming electron deficient group, that is electrophile, occupies meta position and we can get only meta product. In this way, these groups direct new incoming group to meta position. Generally, meta directing groups are deactivating groups because they deactivate benzene ring by withdrawing electrons. So in this video, we covered directive influence of functional group in mono-substituted benzene, ortho and para-directing groups, meta-directing groups, activating and deactivating groups. And here is assignment for you on the same. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you.